Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable the knowledge or the knowledge items in Google Antigravity. So if you don't know about knowledge or knowledge items, then it is a structured persistent memory system that extracts long-term insights from work. So knowledge items are the collections of related information on specific topics such as architectural patterns or code examples. So they develop as long as you work on the Google Antigravity. So this makes them an important feature that you can enable to work more smarter. So let me show you how to enable the knowledge or knowledge items in Google Antigravity. So to do that, click onto the settings gear icon just beside your profile picture, and then from here click onto the second option, that is open Antigravity settings. Now from here scroll down all the way until you see the history section, and from here you can enable the knowledge option. When enabled, the agent will be able to access its knowledge base to inform its responses and automatically generate knowledge items in the background. So to enable, click onto this toggle, and now the knowledge is enabled for your Google Antigravity. That was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.